Hunter, how do you feel about the singing in front of you?
I find it enjoyable.
How do you feel about those shouting foreigners all around?
I mean, it is a little alarming. It doesn't bother me nearly as much as it bothers you, though. Clearly. I don't have my camera out. They're videotaping. But,
well, for everyone at home, today we got on the train at 6:30 a.m. and since we've boarded the train, we have been subject to shouting in front of us. There's, around 10 to 20 Koreans who do not speak a word of English sitting directly in front of us. I have put on my iPod full blast, which is alarmingly loud. I've never done that before. I could still hear them. One of them was standing on my toe for approximately 5 to 10 seconds, completely unaware until the point that I jerked my toe out, didn't say a word, just walked away. Now there's singing coming from in front of us, and just a few moments ago, actually the reason we got out the camera was because someone was playing their computer music. Full volume. You would have thought there was a bass in front of us. Keep in mind it's 6:30 in the morning. Normally, I think not. I mean, maybe they could pick up on the cues of people around them. Everyone else is quiet and sleeping, and numerous people have cleared the car. There's the only ones left in this box car because Hunter is enjoying it, and I am not so much. But anyway, we just thought we'd, relay a little bit of this if you hear. Now we've got an extremely loud yawn coming in front of us. Regardless, I don't know. This is just an experience to remember, and I will never be so loud again in my life. Thank you.